In this video, I'll show you how to turn the torch or flashlight on or off on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So to do this, simply swipe up from the bottom of your watch face and you should see the torch or flashlight icon. You want to tap on it and your flashlight should turn on. So whenever you're in a dark room or in a dark place, this torch is going to help you out and it should be brighter than this. To turn off the flashlight, you can simply tap on the screen like that to turn it off, or you can simply press the side button and this is going to turn off your flashlight. So that's basically how to turn the torch or the flashlight on or off on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next one, take care and God bless.